In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Messenger waiting for a network issue. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. Or, enable airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, restart your phone because this can clear temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. Next, check for app update. For that, launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Messenger. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear app cache. For that, launch settings. Go to General, click on iPhone storage, find Messenger and launch it. Now click on Upload app and confirm it. In the Android device, press and hold on the Messenger app. Click on the App Info option, tap on Storage, and select Clear Cache. Next, you should also check your phone's data saver or battery saver mode and turn it off if it's limiting the app. Additionally, log out of your Messenger account and log in back, which can help refresh your connection. You can also check if Messenger servers are down. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Town Detector, search for Messenger. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete Messenger from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Messenger waiting for a network issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.